Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring your project has React Native and Node environment ready. Install at React Native Firebase /app now. Once done, create a Firebase project and copy the Web API key. This links your app to the backend. Make sure to place Google Services, JSON into Android/app and Google Service Info. Plist into iOS/runner so native builds can access credentials. After that, run a clean build to confirm the native modules, initialize. This prevents cryptic runtime errors later. Now you connect the real-time database. Install at React Native Firebase /database and import database from your app module. You'll initialize with Firebase, app, database, and pick a root path for reads and writes so data structure stays predictable. To secure access, add basic email/password authentication and update database rules to allow only authenticated users to read/write. As you code, test with console. Log outputs and small JSON objects to confirm reads and writes. Succeed before integrating. Finish by implementing standard read/write methods. Use set for fixed data, push for lists, update for partial changes, and on/once to listen. You'll wire these to components with async/await and state updates so UI reflects real-time changes. After that, run both emulator and a physical device build to validate network behavior and auth flows. If something breaks, first check database rules and the API key in native files. Then confirm dependency versions and run a cleaned rebuild. These fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.